Hello, my name is Kelsey Kaufman, and this is my Web 2.0 reflection. So, after watching the video from Professor West, I actually really liked the video. At first, I was like 55 minutes, that's a really long time, but actually, watching the video, there was a lot of interesting information and topics that came up. I think the primary message from the video and the lecture and what was in the Classroom Tech website is that the that the web is changing, especially YouTube. It showed where YouTube started, what started from, and how it kind of expanded and became into this whole thing where so many people can connect with each other just by posting these videos about the most random things. It's crazy to me about how some of the videos went from being such a simple little video blog diary and then it changed into something so big. I definitely think as a future teacher, showing how the web has changed and showing how so much can come from just a simple video on YouTube, I definitely think as a future teacher, that's something that could help in the classroom. Being able to see videos on YouTube, being able to see stuff on the web, being able to do stuff on the web, just like simple websites that can help a kid out, or websites that can help them create something for school. So the podcast I listened to, it was called The House of EdTech. I listened to like episode 99, which was called Smackdown. It talked about 42 of the different tech tools, tips, apps, websites for professional and personal use. I really enjoyed this podcast because it could help me for when I become a teacher. It gave me so many different ideas on how to bring different types of technology. It even talked about using Minecraft in a class as a learning tool, which I thought was really cool. I think podcasting, blogging, and Wikipedia can definitely be used in the classroom, because YouTubing, like from a blog on YouTube or a vlog on YouTube or even a blog on a site, there's so many things that are specific to different topics that if you find a topic that is for your specific grade level and class, I think it would definitely be useful. Should social networking applications be allowed in the P through 12 educational environment? Yes, at a certain age, I definitely think they should be allowed, especially YouTube. I remember in high school there were so many classes that we used YouTube videos to see something. Maybe it was about a book, or maybe it was about history or science. There was always videos that could definitely be helpful. Twitter, you could use that for some things. I don't think like so much Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram would be a good idea, because there's so much on there that you may not be able to censor out and whatnot. I don't know exactly what ways you could use it for. I know that in college I've used Facebook to connect with my classes, so if that was if the school did allow to use a Facebook group or the teacher wanted to, I think that would be a good way to connect with each other. And then, which cloud-based bookmarking tool did I utilize? I used Reddit. So I've used Reddit before, but I think a lot of those cloud-based bookmarking tools are really awesome, because you can bookmark one website on one computer, and then you can go to any other computer, any other device like in the world, and find that bookmark. It's not just on your personal computer. I think it was pretty easy to use too. It kind of reminds me of like Google Drive and iCloud, where you can save something in one space and use it in another, which I definitely think is awesome for use. So that is my Web 2.0 Module 3 reflection. Thanks for watching.